Yeah, I was just going to show you guys my bamboo palms, or Chamaedorea seifrizii, I think it is. Some beautifully red colored seeds on these brackets here. It's quite a good species, these. They don't need a lot of light, so you can put them in a place like doesn't get a lot of light, doesn't get a lot of water. Like I have them here, just in a kind of a side passage around the side of my house between my garage, and they seem to like it here well enough. They pretty much only grow to that height, probably about 2 meters or so, and then they just start growing new pups, new offsets out of the bottom, and they seem to fruit a lot of the time, a lot of the year, so they always have quite a nice display. You can imagine when all of these are bright red. Yeah, that's kind of what's going on over here. Just planted in the ground here, trying to get them going. Some nice pups here. These pups probably big enough to take off already. Plant somewhere else. Just snap them off at the base there. Make sure you're getting it down as close as you can to the where it connects to the plant when you do that, and just stick them in the ground and they'll grow. Oh, these canna lilies here are nice in flower too. Oh, the colour on those ones, it's like fire. This lavender bush I planted is really coming away here. Anyway, that's all for now.